This is Kaliningrad, Russia, what was formerly known as Königsberg, the capital of East Prussia. After the war, 1945, since it did not surrender because the fucking piece of shit Gauleiter Erich Koch did not surrender the city, while he was in his bunker drinking champagne and eating caviar, his people here in the city were starving to fucking death. Anyways, at the end, he just ran to the port and ran back to Germany while the Soviet army took the city and ravaged it. This is to be a beautiful, beautiful city. There's still some parts of the city, some temples, some churches, some palaces. There's another one over there in ruins that are still hanging. But for most of it, it was turned into a third world country architecture paradise. The architecture here is horrendous and used to be a really, really beautiful, beautiful city, a jewel in the Baltic. This is a building. It's called, nicknamingly, it's called the Revenge of the Prussians. Why? Because in 1968, the ruins of the castle of Königsberg were still standing there, and Brezhnev in 1968 sent them to demolish. So they demolished the ruins of the castle to build this horrendous hemorrhoid, and the building has never been occupied. It cannot be occupied. It's sinking. It's just a nightmare. So it's standing here empty, unused, and the castle was still, in conditions to be rebuilt. So this is the Revenge of the Prussians, and this is the most horrendous building, one of the most horrendous buildings in the world, standing where a beautiful castle once stood.